Hello, welcome back to this channel. Say bye to mom. Say bye to mom. Let's clean up together. Let's clean up together. What would you like for lunch? What would you like for lunch? Let Papa comb your hair. Let Papa comb your hair. That's it. No more candy for you. That's it. No more candy for you. Don't worry, Mama is here. Don't worry, Mama is here. Don't cry. Don't cry. Don't cry. Don't tease your friends. Don't tease your friends. Yes, you can have more. Yes, you can have more. Yes, you can have more. Can you share some with your sister? Can you share some with your sister? Can you share some with your sister? Do it. Do it. Do it. Come here with Mama. Come here with Mama. Keep quiet, please. Keep quiet, please. Don't sleep in. Don't sleep in. Take off your shoes outside. Take off your shoes outside. Don't waste food. Don't waste food. You did very well. You did very well. Don't leave your clothes on the floor. Don't leave your clothes on the floor. Keep your room tidy. Keep your room tidy. Let me tuck you in. Let me tuck you in. Take out the trash. Take out the trash. Stay still. Stay still. You are doing great. You are doing great. You are doing great. Put these books in your bag. Put these books in your bag. Put these books in your bag. What are you looking for? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? I don't want you to fall. I don't want you to fall. I don't want you to fall. ठीक है, तो चलिए अब मिलते हैं अगली क्लास में. तब तक प्रैक्टिस करते रहना. टेक केयर. बाय बाय.